Hello everyone, this is Casey with CMB Customs, and today I am going to show you how to put together these two appointment schedule books using a wire ring or the spiral coil. Now, in my previous video, if you guys watched it, you saw me sublimate the front cover of this appointment books. So this is one that I already had done. So this is the multicolored appointment schedule book here. So I'm going to use the wire binding coil for this one. And I'm sorry, I'm using my phone to record, so I can't move it around to show you my binding machine, but I do have a binding machine. So all I'm going to do, if you have a binding machine available and want the wire coils, just select that during checkout. You can also push these down by hand if you want to. They just don't look as good to me, but if you played with it enough, you could get it to look good. So I'm just going to stick this in my binding machine and press it down. I'm actually going to press it again because it didn't go all the way. Alright, so there we have it. So that is using the wire binding coil or ring, I'm sorry, or you can get the spiral coil as well. And the spiral coil, you're just going to start at the bottom and make sure it does go all the way through, and then you're just going to need to help it just a little bit. So I always just use two hands, it's easier, and just move it. Sometimes it's easier. And just move it along as you're twisting, and it goes right in the hole. I think this is a lot easier for the people who don't have binding machines than to have to press those wires together one by one. So this option is available on the website. You will have to choose whether you want the wire binding ring or the spiral coil. Hopefully you guys can still see what I'm doing. And you can see it's barely off right there, so you just have to move it over to put it into that hole as you're twisting. Alright, then you'll want to, of course, cut off your leftover. And I did get these little handy things on Amazon, by the way. They work out pretty good. It cuts and bends the coils at the same time down there. And then also it just bends if you needed to just bend. And then, so now you have the spiral appointment book. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me an email, cnbcustoms@gmail.com, or you can find my Facebook group, CNB Sublimation. You can send me a message on there. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me, and I will get with you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.